Come on. There it is. You see it?
No.
Come here. Stand here.
Oh, there it is.
That's a rocket.
Wow. Wow.
That's a rocket going to space.
It disappeared.
That's because of the haze. It should. I see. I see a little bit.
There it is.
We've also begun the boost back burn for the first stage. That you see brightly on your screen, on your left screen there.
It looks like a star now.
Yeah, it does.
Very difficult to discern. Is what we're looking at now is you still see it, right?
Yeah.
But can you see it with your binoculars?
I did, but I'm trying to reacquire it and I can't.
It's right there. It's right
I
there.
see it with my eyes. Yes, I know, but I can't get it with the binoculars.
Oh, it's still going.
Yeah, there it is.
We're gonna see a burst soon because it's gonna separate.
Shortly after this first burn is initiated, the grip fins, which are located near the top of the first stage, are deployed to help guide the rocket during descent. Following that boost back burn, Falcon 9 then executes its
You still see
re-entry
it?
burn, which slows itself down before hitting the dense parts of the Earth's atmosphere. Then last is
Just
the
keep
landing
following
burn,
because
which
that's
helps to rapidly
that right there is very dim. It's very dim to the eye right now. But we are at the state in which it's about to separate, and we should be able to see something. Can you see it?
Yeah.
The second stage is on its way to drop Dragon off into its targeted orbit. What you see on your screen there is that nice glowing Merlin vacuum engine. We've
Still
had
see
an
it?
on-time launch this morning at
Don't lose track.
2:28 a.m., which was just a few minutes ago, and ascent was nominal. We've had a great stage separation. And now second stage is on its way to take Dragon to orbit.
Yeah, it's hard.
Just keep an eye out. Did you lose it?
It's still
Where do you see it?
right there, but it's fading.
It's not gonna fade. Just keep an eye. It's still going. It should be going. It should be going to the right, just drifting to the right a little bit.
There it is. There it is. There it is.
There it
there
is. That's the one. The guy coming back down. That's the booster coming back down. Huh? Can we lose track? I think we're there. What we saw was the booster coming back down.
Now the first stage landing burn should be beginning in about 20 seconds here. Bit dark, so we might not be able to get a great view of the first stage landing, but we'll see what we can see there. And it looks like we got an infrared shot of stage 1 there. That's an awesome view. So we're not getting a lot of sunlight, at least we can see it with the infrared view. And there's that landing burn beginning. That looks awesome.
So we are getting a delay on the.
Again, we are landing on our drone ship. Of course, I still love
the
you.
recording is delayed, or?
Yeah.
It's like we're following the first stage all the way to the drone ship.
Guidance.
Looks like we've got a good live view of this landing here.
Wow, look at that. The cam shot of it landing.
And we have touchdown of the first stage Falcon 9 vehicle on our drone ship. Of course, I still love you. That was an incredible view of that entire landing. That was awesome. So now going back to our primary mission, our second
Well,
stage
that's it.
is